Welcome back to the Aspire TechSoft. Today, we are diving into a super interesting topic, data engineering. Hey there, future data engineers. Whether you're looking to break into the field of SaaS data engineering or you're preparing for your next big job interview, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the rising demand for SaaS data engineers, how to master the essential skills, acing your interviews, and landing your dream job. Let's dive in. In today's world, data is everywhere. It drives decisions, powers innovation, and shapes industries. From healthcare to finance, education to marketing, organizations are leveraging vast amounts of data to stay competitive. But here's the catch. Having data is one thing. Knowing how to manage and extract insights from it is quite another. Enter SaaS, a powerful suite of software tools that empower organizations to harness the full potential of their data. With SaaS data engineering, businesses can process, manage, and transform raw data into actionable insights faster and more efficiently. SaaS data engineers play a crucial role in this ecosystem. They're the ones who design and maintain the data pipelines, ensuring that data flows seamlessly from its raw form into clean, structured datasets ready for analysis. Next is mastering the SaaS data engineering skill set. First, you need to be proficient in SaaS programming. This includes knowing how to write efficient code, use various SaaS modules, and work with different data types. You'll also need a solid understanding of data structures, algorithms, and database concepts. This knowledge helps you organize and optimize the flow of data, ensuring the integrity and performance of your data pipelines. Next up, familiarize yourself with cloud computing platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, as many data engineering roles now require you to work with data in the cloud. And, of course, you'll need to understand data warehousing techniques so you can store and manage large datasets efficiently. Mastering these skills is key to standing out in the competitive world of SaaS data engineering. Next is interview preparation, showcasing your expertise. Now, let's talk about landing that interview. Your skills are what get you noticed, but how you present them is just as important. Start by tailoring your resume and cover letter to highlight your SaaS skills. Be sure to emphasize your experience with data management, programming, cloud platforms, and any relevant certifications or projects. Next, prepare for common data engineering interview questions. These could range from questions about your technical expertise to how you approach problem solving and manage data pipelines. Practice answering questions like, can you explain how you optimized a data pipeline? Or, what challenges did you face when working with large datasets, and how did you solve them? And remember, show your passion for the field. Employers want to see that you're not just technically skilled, but that you're also eager to grow and tackle new challenges. Next is common interview questions and effective answers. Here are some common interview questions you might face, along with strategies to answer them. Tell us about a real-world project where you used SaaS to solve a problem. Answer this by detailing the project, the challenges, and the outcome. Be specific about how you used SaaS tools and what results you achieved. How would you optimize a data pipeline? Show your understanding of data quality, efficiency, and scalability. Talk about methods such as partitioning data, indexing, and parallel processing. How do you prioritize tasks in a large-scale project? Discuss your approach to project management, like breaking tasks into manageable chunks, meeting deadlines, and collaborating with teams. Next is landing your dream data engineering job. Finally, Let's talk about landing your dream job in SaaS data engineering. It's not just about acing the interview, it's about setting yourself up for long-term success. First, network. Attend industry events, join online communities, and connect with professionals in the field. The more people you know, the more opportunities you'll have. Second, negotiate your salary and benefits effectively. Understand the industry standards and don't be afraid to ask for what you're worth. And lastly, if you're transitioning from a different role into SaaS data engineering, focus on gaining relevant experience and certifications. Don't be afraid to start small and build your way up. So, there you have it. The demand for SaaS data engineers is stronger than ever, and with the right skills, preparation, and mindset, you can land your dream job. Thanks for watching, and if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, the bell icon.